Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Nagi Rework patch is applied and backing up your saves. This prevents rollback losses. Next, equip the Azure Latch and allocate any sockets, glyphs, or mods. Make sure the latch is fully configured. Once done, enter a controlled combat arena or training instance and select a non-critical target to test. You will start the sequence immediately, so position yourself within range and prepare your primary combo inputs. Timing matters for the Rework's timing window. You now perform the core sequence. Activate Azure Latch primary fire, then chain the secondary ability within roughly 0. 5 to 1. 2 seconds, this window triggers the Rework's bonus. While chaining, use a mobility dash or animation cancel to avoid being locked in and to extend hitstun. This keeps the target vulnerable. Watch the blue halo visual cue expand around the latch when you see that. Confirm enemy stagger and immediately apply your follow-up finisher. Practice to internalize the rhythm and timing. Finish by delivering your burst finisher within 2 seconds to consume the stagger and capitalize on the Azure Latch bonus. Check damage numbers to confirm full effect. If the latch fails to proc, re-equip relevant mods, ensure all cooldowns are clear, and reset the encounter. Sometimes a fresh instance clears state bugs. One key troubleshooting tip. Focus on reducing chain timing and animation lock. Lower latency and faster input cadence often resolve missed procs, so shorten delays between inputs when possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.